I really hate when I finish up my lemon water and half the honey is stuck to the bottom. In this video, I share with you 3 methods to avoid this would happen to you. Stay until the end because I also have a tip to get the rest of the honey out of the glass and make it this clean. But why add honey to your lemon water? We all know that lemon water first thing in the morning helps the liver flush out all the toxin it has been detoxing overnight. But adding honey to the lemon water actually helps the liver restore its glucose reserves. So it's really a way of optimizing your detox to add the honey to the lemon water. Before jumping into the tips, there's something really important we need to understand. It's the term saturated solution. You might remember it from physics or chemistry back in school. It means that a glass of water can only absorb a certain amount of, for example, salt. And if you put in too much, it will lay on the bottom. The same goes for honey. So you can't just add a lot of honey to your lemon water and expect it to be dissolved. There's a limit to it. So first step to avoid this mess is to only add 1 teaspoon of honey to your lemon water. And that's also the amount that Anthony recommends in his book, Medical Medium. I have found that dissolving the honey directly into the lemon before adding the water makes it easier to dissolve the honey. I begin by squeezing the lemon into the glass jar, then I add the honey and mix until the honey is dissolved, which takes about 10 to 20 seconds. Then I add the water, and there you go, lemon water with honey. The second and most effective way to dissolve the honey is to add it to a blender cup. Add the honey, add the lemon and the water to a blender cup and blend it for 5 seconds. This dissolves the honey completely. Then you pour it into the glass and you pour in the rest of the water. If you like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. This will help the information spread to more people. If you use a Berkey water filter and you like your water to be cold, you can put in the honey before you store the water in the refrigerator. This way the honey will dissolve over time, and when you're ready to use the water, it's already dissolved. You just add the lemon and there you go, you have your lemon water with the honey already dissolved. This method is very similar to the tip I have to get the rest of the honey out of the glass. When you have reached a point like this and you cannot scrape any more honey out of the glass, you simply fill the glass with drinking water and let it rest for half an hour. This will dissolve most, if not all, of the honey. Then when you're ready for your next lemon water, you simply add in this honey water, the lemon, and the water, and there you go, you have your lemon water with honey. If this first fill up doesn't remove all the honey, you simply fill it up again and let it rest for half an hour, and then you have a nice clean glass like this, ready to pop in the dishwasher and use for condiment like my vinegar-free mustard, a jar, or ketchup. All recipes are fat-free and do not contain medical medium troublemaker, brain betrayer, or filler foods. I will put links for the recipes in the description below this video. If you like this video, you should check out my video on how to save money while making the Medical Medium Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie.